how to make a classic and frozen strawberry daiquiri. G'day there drinking buddies, Scotty Boxer here for DrinkLab.org, your home of free cocktail recipes. Now if you haven't signed up or not become my drink buddy yet, then you are missing out on all the good stuff. But in the meantime, this here is the classic and the frozen strawberry daiquiri. And this is how to make them. You'll need 2 ounces of white rum, 1 ounce of sugar syrup, 1 ounce of lime juice, some strawberries, and a dash of grenadine. In a cocktail shaker, add 1 to 2 strawberries or 5 to 6 in your blender. Give them a quick muddle, add in your 1 ounce of sugar syrup, 1 ounce of lime juice, and 2 ounces of white rum, and a dash of grenadine for sweetness and colour. Give that a mix and pour into your glass. And I present to you the strawberry daiquiri, both the frozen and the classic.